Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box Wednesday. Now, this is somewhat unplanned because I didn't order anything. I have a mystery package and I know that it's from Magnetic Racing because they needed something the other day, so I sent it to them and I didn't ask for anything, but they seem to have sent me. Doug said he was going to send me a care package, but I thought maybe that meant I was going to have to end up in an old folks home or something, but apparently not. It's this. So we'll get to this in just a moment. I have no idea what's in it, but I thought I'd tell you about a few other bits that turned up in the post this week. So a couple of 4-channel relays, some round pin 5 amp plugs, you know where this is going, some 4 amp 8 strand wire, a big old switch, and an adjustable power supply. Now, this is not all of the bits for what's going to happen, but these are bits for another little madcap project that might be a bit non-schematic in a Marty Ford kind of way. And that will come up on the channel at some point when I've got the time and when I've got all the rest of the bits. But we should probably now take a look in here. Like I say, I have got no idea what is in here. Maybe it's a better joke book. We can but hope. Dave, read me. Don't be naughty. Nah, it's rules, isn't it? Okay. I suspect there may be some chewits here. Oh, there's some chewits. And some chewits. Strawberry ones. I do like the strawberry ones more than the blue ones, that's for sure. Oh, chewits. Chewits are always a good thing. Some flyers. There we are, look. Milton Keynes swap meet. Sunday the 11th of February. UK Slot Festival, 11th to the 12th of May, 2024. Aha, a Wasp slot 3D printed slot car track. I saw that on Pete's world exclusive short he did and I said, oh, where do I get one of those from? So thank you guys. I have a use and a plan for that. Oh, love hearts as well. Now I'm feeling special. Really are bribing me with the sweets. What have we got here? Ah, guys with hand controllers to go with the slot car track. There's a giant Ian. Some dogs. And a guy flexing his muscles, so he's probably going to turn into Travis, isn't he? Let's be honest. Couple more people. Great. A barbecue guy. It goes on. Thank you guys. Yeah, sticker billboards. You know I love a sticker billboard. On a TSCG sticker to go on one of the sticker billboards. Excellent, thank you very much. And this is the Red Bull totem. All light up and everything. Brilliant. Thanks guys. I love this hobby. I really do. Thanks a lot. That was a good surprise package. I'm dead chuffed. As always, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you'll find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help. And if you hit the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post a video. And of course, check out this slot car channel.
Right, hello, Mag fans.